Oh shit, something tragic happened. So the mega truck is parked up at a local business. I forgot to put a bucket over the hood stack. The exhaust, instead of going out the back of the truck, is on the hood because they relocated it and the rain went into the exhaust, into the turbo, directly into it. It's been raining for past 2 days. I probably fucked up. Bro, I don't even know what's about to happen. Well, it goes down to this. That's wet. I got an idea. We're about to see what happens when you try to start it. I'm hoping that I don't hydrolock the motor. Oh, you can hear it. Ready? Oh! Oh, shit, get out of the window. Oh, we're good though. We didn't hydrolock the motor. It's a good day.